Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can use Nectar points on Argos. So in order to use Nectar point on Argos, all you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, you know the drill, check your internet connection and log in into your account. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and over here you need to go ahead and tap on the account section from the right hand side. So basically how you can actually use your Argos point is that you need to first of all link your Nectar point. So you have to go and tap on the account section, and first you need to go to ways to pay or payment section, and then go ahead and tap on the link, and that's going to direct you to the other fields where you can actually link your Nectar point. Once you've added the Nectar point, then you can use it in a shopping store, or you can just pay for the purchase, or you can just pay for the items. So that is how you can use your Nectar point. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.